Joan will be back in just a minute. But right now, still give our friends some good news.
All right. It's this. Right now's a wonderful time to buy a GE 2-in-1 refrigerator food freezer like this one. You see, this time of year, trade-ins are unusually good. So good, the trade-in allowance will probably cover the down payment.
And honestly, you don't know what you've been missing until you get this wonderful GE combination. We didn't. We didn't have this separate freezer section with a separate door and a freezing system all its own. Do you know that this holds 70 pounds of frozen foods at 0 cold?
We didn't have all this storage space in the door. Or conveniences like a butter conditioner, sliding shelves.
You know what I just love about our GE? Because of the moist, cold refrigeration, you never have to cover dishes. And you don't have to defrost because frost never forms. Not even that much frost from a tiny ice cube. None at all.
As we said in the beginning, it's so easy to own. See your GE dealer about his liberal allowance and credit terms.